Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where future machines, smart mobility, and next-generation vehicles come to life. If you love electric rides, utility machines, and designs that completely change how we move and work, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because today's vehicle is powerful, practical, and absolutely shocking. The electric fat tire cargo Trike utility Tricycle 2026 is not just another electric bike. This machine is designed to replace small vans, delivery bikes, and even fuel-powered utility vehicles. Built with 3 wheels for maximum balance and control, this trike is engineered for heavy loads, rough terrain, and everyday electric efficiency. The wide fat tires immediately tell you this vehicle is ready for anything. From city streets to gravel roads, snow, sand, and uneven surfaces. Powering this electric cargo trike is a high-torque electric motor designed for hauling serious weight. In the 2026 concept, advanced mid-drive and hub motor options deliver smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The motor provides strong low-end torque, allowing the trike to climb hills effortlessly while carrying cargo, groceries, tools, or delivery packages. This makes it perfect for urban logistics, small businesses, and eco-friendly transport solutions. The battery system is where this trike truly steps into the future. A high-capacity lithium battery offers extended range, allowing long workdays without frequent charging. Many 2026 models feature dual battery compatibility, giving riders the option to double their range instantly. Smart battery management systems improve efficiency, extend battery life, and provide real-time data on power usage, range, and charging status through a digital display. One of the most impressive features of this electric utility trike is its cargo capability. The reinforced rear cargo platform is designed to handle heavy loads without compromising stability. Some versions include modular cargo boxes, flatbeds, insulated food containers, or lockable storage units. Whether it's last-mile deliveries, food transport, farming supplies, or camping gear, this trike adapts to every job. The fat tire design plays a major role in performance and comfort. These oversized tires absorb bumps, reduce vibration, and maintain traction in challenging conditions. Combined with an advanced suspension system, the ride feels smooth and controlled even when the trike is fully loaded. This makes long hours on the road far less tiring compared to traditional cargo bikes or small fuel vehicles. Safety is another area where the 2026 electric fat tire cargo trike shines. Hydraulic disc brakes provide strong and reliable stopping power on all 3 wheels. LED lighting systems ensure visibility day and night, while turn signals and brake lights add an extra layer of road safety. Some models even include regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while slowing down. The riding position is designed for comfort and practicality. A wide, ergonomic seat, adjustable handlebars, and stable foot placement make this trike suitable for riders of all experience levels. Unlike 2-wheel electric bikes, the 3-wheel layout eliminates balance issues, making it ideal for beginners, older riders, or professionals who prioritize stability over speed. Technology integration makes this utility trike smarter than ever. A digital dashboard displays speed, range, load mode, and battery health. Smartphone connectivity allows route tracking, theft protection, and performance monitoring. In 2026, some advanced concepts even introduce GPS tracking and fleet management features for businesses. Environmentally, this electric cargo trike is a game changer. Zero emissions, low operating costs, and silent operation make it perfect for green cities and sustainability-focused businesses. Compared to fuel vehicles, maintenance costs are minimal, saving money over time while reducing environmental impact. What truly makes the electric fat tire cargo trike utility Tricycle 2026 special is its versatility. It's a delivery vehicle, a work machine, a daily commuter, and a future mobility solution all in one. From small shops to large delivery fleets, from urban riders to rural workers, this trike proves that electric transport doesn't have to be boring or limited. As cities move toward cleaner transportation and smarter logistics, machines like this electric cargo trike will dominate the roads. Powerful, stable, efficient, and futuristic. It represents a bold step forward in electric utility mobility. That's it for today's ride on Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this futuristic electric utility trike and want to see more next-generation vehicles, heavy machines, and shocking concepts, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next future ride on Daily Drives.